Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add an adjustment layer in DaVinci Resolve. This is an incredibly useful feature that allows you to apply effects to multiple clips at once without permanently altering your original footage. Let's jump right in. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen where you'll find several tabs. Click on the one labeled Edit. This will take you to the editing workspace where you'll be able to access all the tools you need for this tutorial. Next, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here you'll see an option called Effects. Click on it, and then click Effects again from the drop-down menu that appears. This opens up your effects library, which contains all the various effects and tools available in DaVinci Resolve. Now, within the effects library, you'll be able to see an option called Adjustment Clip. This is the adjustment layer we're looking for. Simply click and drag this adjustment clip directly onto your timeline. The adjustment clip acts as a container for effects that you want to apply across multiple clips without editing each one individually. Once the adjustment clip is on your timeline, you can click on it to select it. You'll notice that you can resize its width by dragging the edges. This is particularly useful because it allows you to control exactly which portions of your timeline will be affected by the effects you apply to this layer. You can make it cover just one clip or stretch it across several, depending on your needs. Now let's add an effect to demonstrate how this works. For example, let's drag the binoculars effect from the effects library onto the adjustment clip. You'll immediately see the effect applied, but here's the key difference. The effect is only applied through the adjustment clip, not directly to your original clip underneath. This means your source footage remains completely untouched and unaltered. To better understand this, try moving the adjustment clip around on your timeline. As you move it away from your original clip, you'll notice that your clip instantly returns to its original state with no effect applied. This demonstrates the non-destructive nature of adjustment layers. The important thing to remember is that the adjustment clip will only affect the clip's position directly under it on the timeline. The effect stays attached to the adjustment clip itself, not to the footage below. This gives you incredible flexibility to experiment with different effects and placements without worrying about damaging your original material. You can easily enable or disable effects, move them around, or delete the adjustment layer entirely if you change your mind. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.